This is a risk disclaimer. Trading any financial instrument involves a risk of capital loss. This stream is only for educational purposes and not investment advice. So try not to fuck it up. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and personal results in general are difficult to replicate. If you decide to watch, follow, and you screw up, you can only blame yourself. And now, click on the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.
Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
And good afternoon, people.
Hello.
Welcome back to
Afternoon.
Zoom, the stream. How is everyone?
Good. Thank you.
Great.
How about you?
You all good, man?
Okay. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 1 1 1 2. Yeah, you should hear me right. How is the sound? Can you give me some feedback?
Yes, we can hear you.
It's not too loud?
No, it's really good.
It's good.
Okay. So, right, gold is running in 118 pips profit. That was the position we took. Let me just share my MetaTrader, my trading view. Okay, so this was the trade I sent out the last. Oh, thank you, Ryan Ashley. You just left some really good comments. Okay, so this was the analysis I sent out to the team. Who took the trade with me? Gold buy.
Not me.
I did. No one else will answer. I did.
Good. Okay. Consider locking in profit as soon as possible because, you know, there's it's a sensitive area where gold is sitting right now.
Alright. So cool. Thanks. I just stopped out. I actually placed 2 more orders because there's a little consolidation. I thought they're going to take those out, so I might as well just take a bit of profit off now. Just a small scalp.
Yeah, yeah.
Thanks.
It's good. I think how many pips was this trade? Let me see. Oh, it's pushing up. Very nice. Very nice. It's a good start of the day. So many sellers got closed out now. Wow. Gold is pushing up real nice. So I'm going to move my stop losses.
Wow. Nice push.
Yeah, very nice. I'm going to place the break even one of them. Whatever happens, 214 pips in profit. Very nice. So many people wanted to sell at 1828, 1830, but not the alpha team.
Well, I'm waiting patiently for the 78.6 of Fibonacci.
Which level is that? 30.
Which is 38.
Yeah. Okay.
But I will not trade it with a sell limit. I will trade it after I see a price action there, because we have upside potential.
Yeah, there's we talked about that, you know, massive wedge on the daily time frame, so you know, anything is possible. Pablo just said macro is really bullish. Macro, yes, absolutely. All the fundamentals are pointing into one direction. And I'm not talking about the boy band. Okay, people, everyone in YouTube, can you do me a massive favor? Just smash the like button. That would help on the views, please. So, very good trade on gold. Let's have a look on GBP USD. Pulled back a little bit. USD CAD is not moving, but still 165 pips in profit. Okay, I just moved all of my stop losses into break even and in profit. 70. So whatever happens, I'm up 1k, even if it hits all the stop losses. Very good people, 35 likes, but we have 68 people watching the YouTube stream, so you know, a few people not doing what they should do, smashing the like. It's a really good start of the afternoon trading session, isn't it? 200 pips.
Yeah, but not for me.
Well, you know, your time will
But
come.
I'm happy for you guys. Thomas, I just want to ask something about the funding. Is it better from trading it by your own money?
The funding of what?
Like going to my Forex fund and opening account with them? Is it better than your own money?
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. The first thing is you learn about risk management. Second is, why would you risk your own money if you can have the opportunity to trade with up to, you know, hundreds of thousands of dollars? It would be foolish to, you know, you only risk $500 registration fee, plus you get 5% discount with my discount code, which was exclusively given to AlphaFX team members. So you only risk 500, but you're definitely going to learn about proper risk management.
Look at the color.
So it's not a bad idea to open an account, right?
Or what?
Sorry, I didn't get you. So I think it's better to open an account with my Forex funds and do the challenge. Definitely. You know, the return on investment is huge if you're good.
I think I will start today or tomorrow. I will open an account there.
Yeah, don't forget to use the discount code to get 5%. Because if many people using the discount code, I don't get any money from that. But my Forex fund will give you, or my Forex fund is going to raise double the discount if you know, the sales is good. So next month they promise to give 10% discount.
Okay, so I will open it the next month with 10%.
Yeah, it's only 3 weeks, 4 weeks.
No, just kidding. I will open an account tomorrow, hopefully, if everything is okay. Goes okay. Is this push because of crude oil inventory?
Don't know, I wasn't following fundamentals today. I just saw the opportunity and I shared it with you guys. Did anyone close the profit already? Oh shit, that's the wrong stop loss. Fucking MetaTrader. Okay, today's break even. Second one is going to be okay, 1000 in profit if it hits stop loss. So I'm using a trailing stop loss going up. So, Mr. Anonymous, do you think Bank of England MPC member Peel speech will cause volatility? Yes, any of the central bank statements or speeches can cause volatility. But whether it's going to cause on the gold market, I don't know, but on any GBP denominated pairs, absolutely. So I don't like to trade, and I said in the morning, during the morning briefing to the members, that I don't want to trade too much today because we have Bank of Canada, Bank of England, and many central bank speeches which we cannot really follow if there is no live stream. So if you don't know what they say, how can we trade it? Which is like running or driving blindsided. So what we have now is the retracement, because who knows what happens after an impulse move.
Retracement.
Yep,
Retracement for sure.
absolutely. Let me hear again.
Retracement.
Very good, very good. Who remembers the retracement yesterday on this trade? On the first green line.
Yeah, I remember.
Oh, 1830 is really strong. At least we got to 1832, almost 33. So it wasn't far away from the initial target, but it is 1830 is very, very strong. So let me just go back to my trading view and I'll show you why it is a strong resistance level.
Because I will buy there.
Okay. So 1830, historically ridiculously strong resistance level. I mean, look at how many times, that's 1830. The price tried to break through so many times. It did once, but shortly after it pulled back immediately. Crazy strong resistance level. And it was the level where we had the flash crash back in August 2021, so last year. That was a bad day for many of our traders. So that's why 1830 is a strong resistance level, and you can see how gold price is struggling to break above. But it's doing well so far, doing okay. I mean, we made how many pips? So that was 60 pips to the highest point so far on the second position. The first position we took yesterday was 130 pips in profit at the highest point today. And we already took out the previous daily high, which is marked with PDH. So we are above the previous daily high, but now we have 1830. So it's definitely going to be a hard ride, but we'll see.
I set the buy limit at 28.
You set a buy limit at 28?
Mhm.
Oh, on the pullback, yeah.
Yeah. I've been waiting this wedge to break it, and I was waiting for the buy, for the retest to buy.
Yeah, it may happen. So this is the wedge what Ahmed is talking about. You know, we bought here, so right at the bottom, and it was an instant 60 pips profit. So, you know, catching these moves 60 pips a day keeps the 95 away. And now what we're waiting for is this retracement, which it looks like it did happen.
I tried to buy there at the same position, at the same second position, but I was at university, so when I opened my MetaTrader, it was like, I think 27, 28.
What do you
So
study?
I'm at finance and banking.
Ah, good.
Yeah.
I had many finance and banking courses. So I guess you're learning about the monetary policy, how money is being created,
Yeah,
all the yields, the yield curves, doing some bond price calculations, compound interest. What year? Which year are you in?
Excuse me?
What year are you in? First year, second year?
No, third.
Oh, you're
Third year.
almost done then.
Yeah. But the problem is, I think I know much more than our lecturers.
I had the same issue at university.
Yeah, like I asked them many questions about like monetary policy and other things. They can't answer me.
The problem is that academics usually never worked in real finance. I mean, majority of them never worked in banks. Because they studied for PhD, so they never had the opportunity. Maybe they did an internship for 1 or 2 years, but the real academics who went, or actually those who transferred from finance and banking from sector to academics are better educators because they know how to present. They know about the markets, how they move, capital markets. Academics, they have, yes, respect. They have great knowledge, but you know, they never worked in real life. And I had the same. I recognized the same when I was at university. But you know, if you have any questions about monetary policy, feel free to ask.
Yeah, sure. Whenever they don't answer me, I will come to you.
Yeah, or just give them my email address, and you know, I'm happy to speak with them.
And we have a problem here in Iraq, which is Forex market and cryptocurrency markets are not really famous. Not everyone knows about it. Only those who, how can I say, who traveled around, like, they know
Rounded
about
people, well-rounded people.
Most people lose money.
Yeah.
So you have the market niche back in Iraq. You can introduce Forex trading, crypto trading. You could be a crypto guru.
Yeah. So I'm trying to prepare a seminar for the students in our, how can I say, our university.
Yeah.
So I want to talk about Forex market and cryptocurrency market and even stock markets.
Yeah, I mean that's the way to learn about finance and banking, when you follow the markets, because problem with students that they think they know everything, but the problem is they don't know shit. They don't follow, they don't read newspapers, they don't read Financial Times, they don't know what's happening. I mean, ask them about what is the current interest rate in the US, or what is the current forward guidance from the Fed. But even if you ask some academics, they don't know.
I think a month ago, our lecturer was talking about CPI, Currency Price Index.
Yeah.
And they asked us, what's CPI? Everyone was in silence. No one was talking about it.
What? The lecturers? They should know
The
CPI.
lecturers asked us about CPI. The students were in silence.
Yeah, because majority of the students, they took they want to study finance and banking and economics because that is one of the highest paying jobs, and you know it's well respected. It's, you have to get good numbers to get in, but they don't know they don't know shit. But I hope you answered what is CPI, because you've been long enough in our team that you know exactly what CPI is.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, but Thomas, tell him what you think the most important part of the industry is. Finance and banking.
Having a Lamborghini?
Close.
No, I mean that's Forex and Instagram, but what is the most important in banking and finance? Many aspects.
It's your network.
Yeah, definitely.
It's your network. It's how you connect with people. It's not how many numbers you can remember. Does your boss like you? Does your boss's boss like you? That's the key.
I do agree with this to some extent, but depending on if you go to front office and sales where you can waffle your way around, maybe. If you go to back office, then they will teach you how to do the job anyway, because it's the same dull operational stuff. If you go to more miscellaneous departments, for example, risk management, market risk management, middle office, where you have to do calculations and all that stuff, then, my friend, you have to, it's not enough you have to have networks. You have to really have knowledge.
Relationships don't help with the calculations, huh?
Indeed, indeed.
Yeah.
Trust me, I had interviews when I tried to get a job. Oh, gold is pushing up, good. And literally I thought I'm smart enough to waffle my way around, but they found out that I have no idea what I'm talking about in 2 questions. And that was a quantitative job. So it was really hard, but the first technical question they asked, I was like, let me think about it. I'm very glad you asked this question.
Do you remember the question?
I don't know. It was something about data queries and Python.
Jeez. I'm in the insurance industry.
That requires a lot of maths as well. I mean, depending, are you in a sales, like selling insurances, or doing the arbitrarial, or what is it?
I'm on the
Actuarial.
opposite of actuarial.
Mm-hmm.
Client facing.
Yeah, I mean, you know, it's better money.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, actuaries get paid pretty well, but there's just a base knowledge you've got to have, I reckon, and then the rest, it's just, you know, confidence, understanding the client. Anyway, just some advice for the guy that's in uni.
Oh, Ahmed, yeah. Okay, YouTube, spice up things. Hit the like buttons, because currently we have only 61 likes, but 130 people are watching the YouTube stream, so what the hell is going on? 60 people hasn't done shit. Press the like. Please. I mean, look at how nicely gold is pushing up.
Yes, without activating my biomet.
Hey Thomas, do you have any update on your US 30 position?
I closed it.
Yeah, I thought so. But
yeah, stock
I
market
feel like
is,
it could go down again, maybe.
Yeah, we're gonna analyze tomorrow US 30.
Okay, cool. That's the Lamborghini trade, the US 30.
Hopefully. Wagwan, I am yo. Let's see who we have in the Zoom. Gerard, Marwan, Nair, Peter, Simon. Everyone is here. Abiodun. Full house today. Who took the gold position this afternoon? Step forward.
Yeah.
Hey, Mr. Nick. Good.
Yeah, man. Yeah. One question. I've still got a small position left. Do you think it's wise just to like have no take profit on a small position left and just let it run with a stop loss pulled up, just just in case it does take off? Or
yeah, absolutely. That's what I'm doing.
Okay.
So you see 2 positions.
Yeah.
So how can I show? Where is the cross? Anyway, I can't draw on my MetaTrader.
Yeah.
I don't know how to do it.
Yeah, MetaTrade's horrible. Yeah.
Oh god, I just put a red line. But you see the stop losses are above my entries. So
Yeah.
one of them is break even, even more than break even, £64. The other one is, if it hits, then £1,300. So
okay, cool.
it's you know, you can leave some runners.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, maybe this runner might let me pass my my Forex friend. What is it? My Forex fund competition. So I might get lucky.
Yeah, I hope, you know, because some of these nice big 60 pip moves can make or break challenges.
Yeah.
So, quick one. Dylan Gonzalez. Excuse me if it's going to go up, right? It looks like it's going up, but what do you think? Yeah, we have 170 pips in profit now, so it definitely looks like going up. I've seen so many people in other groups were shorting gold, but like, Jesus Christ, why on earth? So many accounts burned today, but not at the AlphaFX community.
Yeah, you got to wait for some bearish confirmation first. I mean, and one thing, I think the big players will just be like seeing all these shorts and just start squeezing them. They'll see the stop losses maybe at 1840. They're just gonna keep squeezing.
Yeah,
So that's what I'm thinking right now.
We got a market maker teaching us.
Ain't no market maker. I wish.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wish. I wish.
Yeah.
But
You were waiting for all the stops to accumulate, then bang.
yeah, the problem is that I don't make money on. I don't want to make money on other people's losses. It's not me. If I was, so one of the reasons why we took this long position is obviously 1830. I'm just explaining it to people who are on YouTube and don't understand like why their accounts got burnt, but why we're making money. So without being cocky, 1830, extremely strong resistance level. You know, if you look left, of course, logically, naturally, people been taught to short at that level. But if you go down to lower time frame, you can see that we have consolidation building up in form of an ascending wedge with a flat top and an ascending bottom, which signals that, you know, pressure is building up just below this important resistance level. It's like when you stretching out an elastic band and boom, releasing it. So pressure is building up, and look how aggressively it broke through. It's happening every single week on the gold market. This is one of my observations, which I like to trade. It doesn't always work, so don't take my word for it. Sometimes, you know, it goes the opposite direction if the resistance, if the cells are in majority, but in most of the cases it works like magic. And here is the living proof, the example you can see on the chart. I think it was a good trade. Already made some coffee money for tomorrow and paid for my breakfast. But I see Pablo is on YouTube. He thinks like us. I mean, he's waiting for 1840 sell, and if you look on higher time frame, 1838 monthly resistance level on the pivot points and the Fibonacci 7860 level. So it's, you know, another resistance level possibility to look for shorts. But am I going to place a buy limit? That's not too wise, because, you know, if the momentum is too strong, price could easily spill over, you know, $5, $6, $10. So you have to have a really wise stop loss. But when it comes back down, there's going to be a retest, and that is when the smart traders like us going to enter into a position. But let me know your thoughts.
I think we can wait for the CPI or a price action at the level, so we can enter the trade.
And yeah, absolutely.
Tomorrow's CPI, if I'm not wrong, right?
Yes, we are going to trade the CPI. We love to trade the CPI, don't we?
Yeah. I really like trading high impact news. It's really fun.
Yeah, it is fun. I mean, but you have to be in and out from the market. Like last NFP was pretty savage. It was down and then up again. It's the usual story. Just so volatile.
Yeah.
And price is really struggling to break through. I mean, it's above 1830 now, but just a tiny bit.
Thomas want to ask about can we know the news before it releases?
That would it depends. I mean, for sensitive market data like labor market and the red folder news, you can't. It's top
It's a
secret.
great job in the Fed.
I know
Yeah.
one guy. I know one guy who did that. He's in jail.
Yeah, for insider it's you can go to jail as special, right? It's insider trading.
It's a crime.
Yeah.
I mean,
In
look at that.
Melbourne.
One of the Fed members is actually now being prosecuted because of insider trading.
Oh.
Are they prosecuting him? I thought they just let him go.
I think so. Absolutely. I think so. I think in the last news I read it was now prosecution, but he was
Okay,
sacked
cool.
first.
Yeah.
I don't know if this.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, that's all good. I'm just going to say Nancy Pelosi's husband. They say some hedge funds follow Nancy Pelosi's trades. The big politician in America's husband. So
Yeah.
that's meant to be a thing.
And it's really wise to follow her trades.
Well, I don't know if this story is right or not, but someone told me that a person, I don't know which country it was, but he went all in and his account was $10 million. So before the news release, someone told him that this news will be like that. So he went all in with $10 million. He made a profit. I think it was $900 billion or more. I don't know. Yeah, it was a really huge money. I don't know if this is true or not.
I don't know.
That's gambling.
Oh, gold is pushing back down again.
It's okay. I think it will make a retest because it didn't make any pullbacks.
No, not yet. But I think it's going to probably hit my stop loss. But the good thing is it's in one of them is break even, and the other one is well in profit. So the other one is in 100 pips profit. More than 100. The first position. Hey, guess how many viewers we have on YouTube?
Under 30.
500.
142. 37.
Oh, I was close.
Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone who tuned in. I hope you're enjoying the discussion. Leave a comment below and tell me your opinion. Do you like the stream? Do you like the conversation? Any constructive criticism, feedback, more than welcome.
And by the way, Thomas, why you're not setting your stop losses under the... Oh, he went up.
No, I'm back. I'm listening. I have my
okay.
headphones.
Why you're not setting your stop losses under the wedge? I
Because
think the price is 26.
because then my position would be under 1,000, and I have this obsession that, you know, at least, you know, make the £1,000 on that one trade. If I make 937 or something, then I would not feel good, and I would start to overtrade.
Exactly.
And you know, for the perfection hits in, and then when you start, oh, there's only £70 missing, I guarantee if I place another trade, I would go down to 850 and then 750, and then you know how it starts.
Yeah. I know that
So
story.
Yeah, it's better to have that round number, so I can sleep well. $147 viewers now. Thank you so much, guys.
The Alpha family is getting big, yeah?
Say it again.
The Alpha family is getting bigger.
Yeah, definitely. We have just under 300 members in the community. If I show you. Where is the Discord? Arslan, it's you again. Mute your mic. Thank you so much, mate. Okay, so this is I'm showing on YouTube the Discord channel we have. This is the Discord we have. We have usual group chat. We have a trading experiment where a group of traders are doing a live competition on my Forex fund. So I paid for a 100k challenge as 3 or 4 guys buddied up or partnered up, and they're doing it together. Any profit they make, I let them to keep any profit. We have my analysis channel. I do Forex analysis and fundamentals, so it's important that you understand what's happening in the market. I share many good charts and explain like what is happening with, you know, the rate hike expectations, inflation, what is a real rate, so people who are in the group actually learning economics and real finance, more economics than finance. Then we have Aaron, Isaac, Raul. Well, Raul is lagging, so he doesn't do any analysis, so I'm going to kick him in the ass politely. He should do more analysis, but we have many good traders sharing. We have daily readings, what moves the markets, is full of really good content. Then we have the funded traders VIP section where they can chat far away from the noise of the group chat. And then let's have a look on the results. So we have a results section. Let me just show you. Yeah, now you can see it as well. So we have the results where people like to post their how much money they made, because bottom line is important, and you know, everyone likes to show how much they made, and you know, it's all good profits. Sadly, people not showing the losses, but you know, why would they? Some really good achievements. You know, $50 a day keeps the 95 away. Yeah.
Hey Thomas, maybe you should make a different channel for the losses, yeah?
I'm afraid it will be bigger than the wins, but who knows? In the results channel, I only see, you know, amazing profits, which is good. I like it. Jakubek 123. Yes, I am from Hungary. I am Hungarian.
Oh, I thought you were Serbian, bro.
No, that's Michael. He is the Serbian. almost 150 views on YouTube. Oh, and gold is pushing back down. Cheeky fucker. You know what? Just for the sake of because I want price to hit 1838, I'm going to move my second entry, the smaller position, below the wedge, because I want to see how it's going to hit 1838. Do you think it's going to hit 1838?
Yeah, it will.
People on YouTube, what do you think? Should I close down the 2-lot position now and bank 1,300? Or should I let it hit the stop loss if it retraces back and take 1,000? But it has the potential to go higher and make, 0.7 or 0.8 thousand. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Or do you want me to move the stop loss and see what happens?
Oh, I'm not on mute. Sorry.
Now, Michael we just talked about you. Bildun asked, he thought I'm Serbian.
Oh, my phone ran out of battery, so I've been away for 5 minutes.
Yeah,
we were talking about knowing the announcements before it happened, and I started laughing.
Yeah. And we talked about you while you were away.
Oh, great. But there's a good story in Melbourne. 2 uni students, one of them went to work in the Reserve Bank, and one of them, I don't know what he did, but he said to his friend in the Reserve Bank, let me know what inflation is, and I'll pay you 20,000.
Wow.
And they did it a few times, and he lied to him, and he made 6 million off the Forex trades.
Wow.
And the broker, the actual Forex broker, reported it to the federal police.
But how did they find out?
So the broker was going, we have never seen someone make so much money so quickly. So the broker thought it was insider trading, and then the broker told the police, which is very interesting.
Oh, that's unfortunate, but they were stupid enough to, do it quick rather than make some losses, make some wins, and cover it up.
Well, funny you say that. He did actually try and cover it up and do some losing trades, but they had already, tapped his phone or something. I think it happened 5 or 6 years ago in Australia.
Well, it's unlucky, but you can't play with the markets. When there's money on the stake and when you milking the broker, they're going to report.
Yeah. So moral of the story is, if you make too much money, your broker will call the police.
Yeah, they have to by mandate. There's a regulation.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, they have to obey anything if they, related to insider trading. Yeah, anti-money laundering, you know, anything that comes out from the KYC or the, you know, the initial check.
Right.
A few things they have to report. Any suspicious activities, etc.
Makes sense.
KYC or the Rayon, Wagwan.
Well, go on, brother. Been good?
Yeah, making some money.
Nice.
Let's see how many people we have in the stream. 153. Wow.
Gold is really bipolar.
It is, just like my ex-girlfriend. She's crazy.
Thomas, would you be looking for more buy setups if it comes lower?
More, but what setups? Buy setups?
Buys, yeah.
It's a very good question. I think I sent into the Discord analysis channel possible buy scenarios, but let me show you. If I switch back to MetaTrader, TradingView, not MetaTrader. So you see how aggressively price is reacted to 1830. It immediately pulled back below. So we have a good chance that, you know, price is going to come back either to retest the bottom of the ascending wedge and then go up, or retest, you know, 61.80. So that was the other entry position, because I still believe that, you know, 1838 should come soon. I talked about 1828 last week, and here we are at 1828. You know, so I think this trend should continue to the upside. There's way too many sells sitting in this area. It's an invitation to hit the stop losses. There's a cluster of sells. And now we had the retest. If I just go down to lower time frame. So every impulse move is followed by retracement. And look, what do we see on the chart? It retraced where? What is it? Fibonacci 7860.
Yeah.
So you see why I like the retracement, fib retracement. Impulse move, breaks the structure, pulls back, you use your Fibonacci, pull up your Fibonacci, you set your buy limit, and look, it's already pushing up. I don't know how far is it gonna go, but definitely, you know, this move, this reaction, if you scalp, this was 12 pips. If you catch these moves, you can make good money.
Yes.
I catch it.
And now it's pushing even higher.
Yeah.
13 pips. 14 pips.
Happily, it activated my buy limit at 28.
Good.
That was so close to your stop losses.
Yeah, but you know, I took the decision that is my rule for today.
Yeah.
So either way,
Market,
I'm
but-
already in a win.
Sure.
Let it hit the stop loss. I already closed my position. I made my money for today, so happy days.
GBP going well, Thomas.
Let's have a
Yeah.
look on G. Oh, 100 pips. Look at this. 100 pips in gold, 100 pips on GBP USD, 167 on USD CAD. What is happening, my friends? Good day today.
Honey.
It's Christmas.
We're eating today. Yay.
Everyone's eating today. Adela, how are you? I think January was exceptionally good. There was only 1 week which was pretty bad, but apart from that, so far, knock on wood, we're having a good year. And as soon as I said that, I'm pretty sure gold is going to hit my break-even stop loss. Oh no, my big position stop loss. Okay. Let me change the music for our YouTube viewers. So Dylan Gonzalez asked, how far will it go down? Well, we forecasted or expected to pull back down to 1828, but the pullback was so aggressive that it could easily go down to 1822. Are you guys still with me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thomas, I noticed that gold has been very active during the New York sessions this week.
Gold is active during the New York session?
Yeah, that's when it moves the most.
Yeah, because we have liquidity coming to the market. I mean, the US is king in stock market, in any market. So when US wakes up, that's when we have the money coming to the market. Well, during the London session, yes, we do have huge amounts of money exchanging, buyers and sellers, but they usually not as volatile because it's only for money exchanges. So at the current price, they're happy to accept the spot price. It's not mainly for speculative, but during the London session, there's actually more money is being exchanged on currencies than during the US session.
Hey, Thomas, can you repeat that? What was the difference between London and New York?
Different time zones. So when New York is waking up, the New York market stock exchange is opening. We have volatility because in the US, a huge amount of money is coming, flooding the markets, speculative positions, and the first position is closed down. Sorry, just watching the trade. So 1,200 in the bank. Good. So when the New York stock market opens, and generally when the New York session starts, volatility picks up in any market, in every market. So Dane Henry asked about the pip counter. Does it comes with MT4? You have to buy it separately. You don't have to buy it. It's free, completely free. You have to install it. So look it up on YouTube, pip counter. You have to install it into the indicator folder. So it's a bit tricky, but it takes 2 minutes.
Thomas, when I attempted to do it, it told me the website was there was something he was saying, like the website's like fraudulent or something like that. It wouldn't allow me to open it on my Mac. The video you sent in Discord?
Yeah, that was a YouTube video. what was
is it a
the
Mac
problem with
though?
it?
Because MT4's
Yeah, I have a
more
Mac
full, isn't
M1
it?
Mac Mini, yeah. But you have to find a solution to, if you're using Windows, to edit Windows. But I'm using Mac. Right, I think we're done for the day. What do you think, guys?
Yeah, all good. Yeah, man.
It's a good, nice, quick and short New York session. Did you guys lock some profit?
Yep.
Yeah, all good.
Excellent.
Doing well.
Oh wow, that was in 5-minute time frame.
Yeah, I'm just switched back to TradingView so we can analyze. I'm just going to delete these because I can't really see the screen. Yeah, I mean, it was expected price to come back to test the top of the wedge, but now it's pulled back to the wedge. So let's see, what does the fib say? You know, maybe there's a possibility that, you know, people shorted at 1828, 1830, price spilled over just enough to hit the stop losses and now going down. But I think what should happen now,
Look at the 1 hour.
yeah, just a second. So on the 15-minute, see how the wedge is going to hold. Then maybe we have another push to the upside because we have 1838 is my sweet spot, but there's a possibility that price is going to come down to 1821 and then go up. And looking at the 1 hour Marwan, yes, this pull down is pretty strong, so it would take a lot of buying pressure to push back up. And it looks like it's going to break the wedge now, but luckily we out of the position and I'm going to close down my other USD CAD. Sorry, my other gold position, not USD
Yeah,
CAD.
better.
Yes, listening. What's up, Marwan?
No, I'm saying it's better to close it now, in my opinion.
Yeah, absolutely. I closed both of my gold positions. Switching back to Meta.
Now after you close it, it will go up.
Yeah, always like that. But you know, I'm more than happy with the profit I made today. GBP USD as well, so can't complain. Come on, these two GBP USD positions. It's show me a job that pays this much in a day by just watching, you know, charts. Always it comes with losses, so it's not accurate to say that, you know, this is every single day.
Yeah, I closed GBP. I think it could hit that trend line again before it goes back up, or even break it. It might not get to the double top. Who knows?
I'm going to. I hate MetaTrader, so I'm just moving to stop loss. But I'm actually going to close down. I mean, come on, 1,700. That's it's a very good day rate.
Yeah.
The other one, I'm probably going to take some partial profit, but definitely moving to break even. So Afraload asking on YouTube, are you still in gold trade? No, I closed down the position because, you know, the push down, the rejection from 1830 was way too aggressive. So it's done for the day, as your Forex guru would say.
Thomas, we never see you short gold often.
Yeah, but I did short many times gold. Just only joined 2 weeks ago, last week.
Oh, okay. Fair enough.
Ten Shabir. Ah, Raul, hoe gaat het?
Gaat goed.
Good.
I had some meetings, so I joined now.
But now you back with the family, with us.
Yes.
Back to your happy place, in front of the charts.
Happy place. So you
Where is Tabitha?
I don't know. I ask her tonight.
She asked me for the Discord links like 5 times, so I sent her again.
Yes, that's how you can describe her. Now she. I will ask her. Did I miss something?
I let the team update you. How was today's trading session? And everyone's so quiet. I love it. 41 people. No one says a damn thing.
At all in 3 minutes and start talking.
It's a good trading day. I closed down all of my gold positions. I think it was over 200 pips in overall, so it's 3 positions I had. Yeah, it's very, very good. Excellent. The analysis I sent out, if I just show you in Discord, let me pull up Discord. This was the analysis I sent out at 1:45 European time, no, UK time, whatever. So anyway, hours before the move happened, I sent out that, you know, the wedge is appearing on the chart and I'm going into a buy, and then price went up all the way to 1832.3, but then it struggled to break above, so we closed down. I closed down the position.
Yes.
So good day. It worked out. It didn't hit 1838 as I planned, but you know, 100 pips. Come on.
Yes, I got the move yesterday from, what was it, 28 till 18, 17.
Very good.
Down. Currently nothing at the moment.
Yeah, I'm finished trading as well for today. It's tomorrow is CPI, so we need more ammunition for that.
Yeah.
But I think
Can you please check 4-hour time frame?
on what, GU?
gold.
On gold?
No, gold.
Yeah, you know, the bullish trend is still valid. But I'm not looking to enter into any other positions now. You have the setup in Discord with the exact entry level, so if price comes down, 1822, 23 is another possibility to buy. But you have everything in Discord.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, we were up 150 euros and now down to 112. I think as soon as I close down the position, people just stop watching the stream. Or maybe it was when Raul entered the stream, I don't know.
Yes, there are.
Coincidence?
But,
correlation?
I don't want to say, I watched first a little bit YouTube. You were at 74. And when I joined, you went up, the likes, thumbs up to 111.
Yeah, but when you started talking, that's when the views dropped.
Okay. But the likes went up. That's important for your algorithm.
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Pavan Oli on YouTube asking, should I enter in buy gold? It's not a financial advice.
No.
But if you find any good, nice gold jewelry on discount, definitely buy it for your wife or your boyfriend, whoever. It looks like people are entering again on YouTube. Oh, looks like the wedge is going to hold.
Always good wedge.
We like a good wedge, don't we?
Yes. It's the easiest way to trade, I think, sometimes.
Yeah, but I don't think that wedge is already broken. It's gonna go, most likely it's going to hit 1822. But I don't want to take any sides. I think our trading day was profitable.
That's important. You have some good weeks, Thomas, I think.
I think the whole 2022 was pretty good, wasn't it?
Yes.
Many good setups. There was one week which was pretty bad. Definitely.
The 2nd January.
Yes, it started really well. I mean, unbelievable how we made thousands of pips without over exaggerating. And 2nd week of January was pretty crap, and I think the end of January end of January was good as well.
Yes.
So Naufal Hassan, what strategy using? 2 things, my eyeballs and my Fibonacci. Pretty much that's it.
And some knowledge.
Yeah.
Or
tiny bit. Tiny
yes.
bit. I'm using mainly price action to look at the indicators, but keep learning every day new things.
Yeah, man.
Oh, INKC, we're entering with double size of lot. Jesus Christ. What is happening in the YouTube chat? Oh god, Savage Henry, yeah, they all want to close their positions as well. And that's why, okay, that's an explanation why people left the YouTube stream. But you know, if they made some good money, then I'm happy.
Okay, that's it for me. So thank you so much for everything, Thomas, for the
You're welcome.
enjoyable discussion and everything else.
Thank you so much. Have a good
I
sleep.
will leave. What sleep? It's 5 p.m. Anyway, bye-bye.
Have a good one. Thanks, Ahmed.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Are you leaving as well? People leaving me behind.
It's not because of me.
Oh.
We're still here. We're still here.
Yes, the diehards.
Oh no, that's too trappy music on YouTube. I'm going to choose something else, something light. So Hazami Zakari asking, hi Thomas, our gold will go up again. Who knows? You know, as soon as I close my positions, I tend to forget everything about gold. I don't want to look at the charts if I made my money for the day. It is possible. Let me show you on TradingView where I can draw nicely. Now we still have this wedge. Price is currently sitting at the bottom, but I think it's going to come down first to 1821 and then move to the upside. But it's not a financial advice. You know, it is possible that it's going to straight up to 1838. We don't know yet. We made already our 200 pips for the day. It looks like it's going to go up. Who knows? But, you know, I sent out my analysis to the members, to the community in Discord. They know exactly what to do. They have the entry level as well. So, because I don't want to give any, you know, it's not financial advice on YouTube, so it's mainly for educational purposes. And you can join the discussion and enjoy the discussion what we have.
Yeah, we all trade demo accounts, right?
Pardon?
I said everyone's trading demo accounts here. No financial advice.
Yes, yes. It's only, you know, it's not real account, it's... USD CAD is really annoying. It just doesn't want to move for days now, since last week.
You think it could do just a dip below the current structure to get some liquidity?
No, USD CAD.
Yeah.
Anything is possible.
Good answer. No one
Good
knows.
question. Yeah. And we're back to 100 viewers on YouTube. Welcome everyone.
Hey Thomas, did you lift your kettlebells today?
No, I had my exercise in the morning. Who's Biodun? Or Batjes? Who was it? Biodun or Batjes? Biodun, yeah.
Biodun.
Yeah, I had 25-30 minutes exercises. I have exercised pretty much every morning in the past 2 weeks, because you know summer is coming, bikini season.
One time family.
You should
So
have a challenge. 1 push-up for every pip you make.
Yeah, I do push-ups every morning. I think what's important in trading and in general life that you know, we can watch the chart for hours, but it's not productive. But what's productive is when you do something in between. So 20-30 minutes exercise a day is it can change lives.
Definitely.
And you know, for your health, 20-30 minutes a day. Some people doesn't they just find excuses not to exercise or study or read a book, but I think it's laziness. Come on, 20 minutes is, anyone can find 20 minutes. So I like to do my morning exercise. I wake up around 5-6 a.m, sometimes 4 a.m, do my analysis, send it to the Discord group, make breakfast, coffee for my wife. Then we have breakfast together, and as soon as she leaves, I roll up my mat, get my dumbbells, my kettlebell, and do, you know, 20, 30, 40 minutes exercise, and then do the morning briefing with the team for you guys. And then I have 4 or 5 hours free of the day. If I left any positions or placed any buy or sell limit or open position, then you know, I'm just going to monitor for the rest of the day. But I think it's a well-balanced lifestyle. I think, yeah, gold looks like it's really trying to push back up again to retest 1828, 1830, but my guess that it's gonna go down to 1821 first.
Trap a few longs, you think, on the wedge.
Yeah. Okay guys, I'm going to call it a day. We had a good day. We had a good day, guys, in the Zoom. You made some profit?
Yes, Thomas. I was listening throughout.
Good, good, good. Excellent. That's what I like to hear. See you tomorrow, 8 a.m. sharp.
All right.
Morning briefing.
Okay. Thank you, Thomas.
Have a good day, guys.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Thomas.
Bye. Bye.
Yeah.
And people on YouTube, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you had a wonderful afternoon. You enjoyed the conversation with the Alpha FX community. If you want to join our wonderful community, you can do so by going to the website. I left a link in the chat. The first 2 people who use that link can get access everything pretty much for £100, which is a really good discount. I'm gonna do pretty much on every stream now, but it's only valid for the first two person who joins, and it will be only valid until this stream is live. So I'm going to say goodbye. I'm going to switch to the ending soon chart. If you want to join, use that link, and see you tomorrow, because we have CPI tomorrow, CPI data release, and we're going to live trade it. So if you want to join the conversation again, you know, you can do so. 1 p.m. tomorrow. See you later. Thank you so much. This is the Alpha FX.
It's all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
And thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm out for today. Have a good one.